You've probably noticed AI is getting better every day. It's writing, designing, coding, even thinking faster than most people. So if you've ever asked yourself, what will people like me do in 5 years, you're not alone. But here's the truth. The future won't replace humans. It'll replace average ones. And today I'll show you the 3 skills that will make you irreplaceable no matter what changes. When I first started hearing about AI replacing jobs, I panicked. I thought, what if all my experience stops mattering overnight? But then I realized people who stay valuable don't chase every new tool. They master the skills that AI can't do for them. So I focused on these 3 and they completely changed how I work and make decisions. Most people think in tasks. Irreplaceable people think in systems. They don't ask, how do I finish this? They ask, how does this connect it to the bigger picture? That's a strategy. And it's something AI can't fully replicate because it requires judgment, context, and vision. Start small. Before doing anything today, ask yourself, why am I doing this? And what result actually matters? That one question separates the average from the irreplaceable. Here's the truth. Ideas don't move the world. Communication does. You could have the best idea in the world, but if you can't explain it clearly and confidently, no one will care. AI can write sentences, but it can't build communication. So practice speaking with clarity. Don't use fancy words, use honest ones. Because people don't remember perfection, they remember how you made them feel. If you want to be irreplaceable, learn faster than the world changes. The ones who survive every shift are not the smartest. They are the quickest to adapt. So instead of asking, will this trend kill my job? Ask, how can I use it to grow? That mindset, turning change into opportunity, is your real competitive advantage. By 2030, it won't be about who knows the most. It'll be about who learns the fastest, thinks strategically, and communicates like a human. So don't try to compete with AI. Partner with it. Build the skills that make you unforgettable. If this hit you, subscribe, because every week I'll show you how to grow your mind, your income, and your freedom, no matter what the future brings.